In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram notification sound easy and quick. Open Instagram first like this. Sorry, I will back again from the beginning. So after that, click here on your profile, then open the menu. When you open the menu, you should go and click on notifications option. While you open your notifications, click on post stories and comments, for example, and scroll this list until you found additional options in system settings. Click, it's going to take you to another page. Right now, click on notifications categories and make sure that you enable these notifications here. What you should do right now, for example, I want to change the notification sounds of comments likes or first post and stories. I will click on it, for example, and I will go to sound, and I will change to any sound that I would love to use. That's all in this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.